So if Grok AI suddenly stopped working for you, don't worry, yeah, this happens sometimes. In this video, I'll show you simple fixes step by step to get it working again. First, check your internet connection. Make sure you're connected to stable Wi-Fi or mobile data. Sometimes a weak connection is the main reason Grok doesn't respond. Next, close the X app completely and reopen it, or refresh the page if you're using a browser. Yeah, this simple step often fixes minor glitches. Now try logging out of your account, then log back in. This can reset your session and fix access-related issues. If it's still not working, go to your app settings and clear cache. On browsers, clear cookies and cache. This helps remove corrupted data, that can block Grok from loading. Sometimes the issue isn't your device. Grok may not be fully available in your region. In that case, try using a VPN or check if the feature is officially available in your area. Also, make sure your X app is updated. An outdated version can cause bugs or missing features, so keep everything up to date. And that's it. These are the most common fixes for Grok AI not working. If this helped, like and subscribe for more simple tech solutions, and I'll see you in the next video.